Do you want to learn how to write a friendly letter, but you just don't even know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some steps with examples on how you can write a friendly letter. Let's go.
Number 1, address. The address is where your letter is going to be sent. This needs to appear at the top right-hand corner of your letter. You are going to write the number of the house, the street name, the section, and then the town, and finally the postal code. Now my example, 28 Main Street, Selection Park, Springs 1559. Number 2, date. The date appears immediately underneath the postal code, and you still keep it on the far right hand side. Number 3 is salutation. Salutation is your greeting. Now this needs to appear on the far left hand side, and you must make sure that you do not skip a line between the date and the salutation. There shouldn't be a line skipped. I have written Dear Tracy, and if you look after the word Tracy, I have put a comma. You have to make sure that you also put a comma after the name of the friend that you are writing to. We need to indicate that Tracy is being addressed, so therefore we need to emphasize this by putting a pause, which is a comma. Number 4, introduction. Now in the introduction, this is where you now greet the person that you are writing to, ask them how they are feeling, and you can also share how you are feeling and a little bit of what is happening with you right now. So this is basically the same as if you were to have a conversation with someone. That is how you start the conversation. You ask them how they are, how they're doing, and that person would also ask you the same or similar questions. Before you write your introduction, you have to skip a line immediately after salutation. Then you can start your introduction. Let's look at my example. Hey best friend, I hope that you are doing great. The exams have been challenging for me, but I'm hanging in there. 2 down, 5 more to go. I have greeted my friend, asked them how they are doing, and I've also given a little detail of what's happening with me right now. Number 5, body. In the body, you start stating your reasons for the letter. Why did you write to your friend? What do you want to tell them about? This is where you give them all the details that they need. Let's look at my example. With the holidays just around the corner, I was thinking it would be fantastic to catch up. Would you love to visit soon? We could hang out, share some laughs, and create some unforgettable memories. Alright, now remember, before you start writing your body, you need to skip a line after the introduction. This separates the paragraphs because each paragraph talks about something different. Now, I know that a lot of learners really struggle with writing. They are unable to take what is in their head and put it to paper. This could also be because your vocabulary is limited or you struggle with sentence structure. This is why it's important to start with your mind map, where you just jot down your ideas. Ask yourself questions like, why am I writing this letter? What are some of the details I need this person to know about? And you can even write down how you would like them to respond to your letter. When you are writing, you need to have questions so that you can write down the answers. The answers are then going to be your paragraph. Ask the why, when, how, and where questions. Have a thesaurus and a dictionary nearby. Number 6, conclusion. Now in the conclusion, we are going to sum up our letter. You are basically telling your friend that you can't wait to see them, or you can't wait to spend time with them, and you wish them well. Once again, we skip a line after the body and then you start writing the conclusion. Let's look at my example. Let me know when you can come over and we can start planning. I'm really looking forward to seeing you and spending some quality time together. Number 7 is your closing. The closing basically tells the reader who the letter is from. So you can write your friend and then you write your name underneath. Remember, it depends on who you are writing to. So if you are writing to your mom, your dad, obviously you will then say your daughter and then you write your name underneath. Your closing, once again, has to be separate from your conclusion. So you are going to skip a line after a conclusion and then you are going to write your closing. In the description, I have a link where you can download this example of a friendly letter for free.
Don't forget to like this video and please kindly share my channel with all your friends and family. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on all things English home language. See you on the next one.